Safety moment with Waliyullah. When you have a community that is filled with illiterates, that is filled with thugs, then you should know that that community is close to what? Destruction. My name is Waliyullah, and today we will be diverting a bit from safety. And we'll be talking about the issue of literacy in Nigeria as a whole, using Lagos State as a case study. We won't deny the fact that we have a lot of schools, institutions that are being put in place to ensure literacy in our communities. But the fact is that in recent times we have a higher increase in the number of thugs and illiterates. And the only source or where they come from is majorly from our garage. And each person, when you save a life, it's like you save the whole world. And when you lose the life, it's like you lost the whole world. Educating is not about someone who has the opportunity. Education should be a basic need, a basic benefit of everyone living in the country. You will agree with me that in our garages we have a lot of children who are there based on the fact that maybe they lost their parent, or based on the fact that even they themselves, they have this kind of stubborn attitude, they ran away from home, and most of them find themselves in garage. And subsequently they become thugs, subsequently they become thieves, subsequently some of them become armed robbers, some of them become kidnappers, and that is where these people are being fed. The ironic thing is that this kind of system is even being fueled indirectly, in the sense that they engage them in activities that are actually government approved. Let me put it that way. So that are being used for NURT operation, for NURTWs, and being used as conductors, being used for other activities. The government can actually assist in this by doing what? By creating a platform where these people can also be educated. Nothing is impossible. Those thugs that you see there might be more intelligent than some of us, but because of the opportunity we have that they don't have, at least as at now, is make them to fall into that category. Some of them are ready to go to school, some of them are ready to learn, some of them are ready to be educated, some of them are ready to leave the world of illiteracy. If these people can do this, especially those that work as conductors, if they can calculate the number of money they collect, and they do the calculation mathematics, and they get it right, and the way they collect their money, and okay, change you are, or change the duro and and at the end of the day, most times 70% they get it right. It means that they can actually be educated, they are trainable. Part of the means that the government can actually do this, it might sound funny, but it can be done and it's possible, is to have literate centers or education centers in our car parks. They will create a building that is separated for whoever wants to be educated. Having a high number of literates in this kind of section of the industry or of the nation can actually promote awareness and can actually make our life more easier to live. The government can create a mini school or an adult school, or you can even call it a talk school, whatever you want to call it, that could educate them on the basic needs, basic education that they need. From there, they can decide to continue, and the government can give them scholarship, because the government is saying that, yeah, this person really wants to go to school. Then from there, we elevate what we call poverty in the nearest future. We elevate illiteracy in the nearest future. We know the consequences of not going to school. We know, we might argue that they become rich, but that's not what we want. We want a literate environment. We want the environment that everyone will be safe to live. And the part of the ways we can do this is to bring out illiterates, get them educated, and let us have more literate in the world. If you agree with me, please kindly share this video so that it will get to the authorities who are in charge, and they can actually see into getting schools available in our garage for those that actually want to go to school. Remember to follow me on my YouTube channel at Safety World, on my Instagram page at Waliyullah Safety World. Do have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.